for tuning in. My name is Brad Micklin. I'm the attorney and managing member of the Micklin Law Group, which is a law firm concentrated in empowering men and fathers in divorce, custody, and family law matters, with offices in Nutley, Montclair, and Saddlebrook, New Jersey. I'm also the proud author of How to Survive and Thrive When Divorcing a Narcissist. You can find the book on Amazon.com in a Kindle version and a hardback copy by searching my name or the title. I hope it helps you or anybody facing these issues. Today is part of my ongoing series, #FamilyCourtSucks, in which I'm trying to address realistic topics and issues that my clients and my consultations have to deal with in a way that gives you both legal and practical advice about how to handle the matter that you have. So today my topic is #FamilyCourtSucks because it doesn't enforce its orders. Now, first, it's not that I'm saying you don't have to follow orders and that there's never going to be any repercussions if you don't. First, I'm required to advise people to follow orders, and I always do. But I also think I'm responsible to tell you what happens if you don't. And with a great many orders, nothing happens. First, they'll give you an order that has no teeth. Like if you file a motion for contempt, you'll get an order that says the person's in contempt and they have 30 days to comply with the order, which is exactly what the original order was in the first place. You filed for the contempt. Now all you have is another order saying, do it again. Instead of having an order, for instance, that would have sanctions or attorney's fees, that all you get is file it again. And that often can happen several times before you get any real sanctions, before they put any real teeth behind the order. Common example is you have an order for discovery, which is the exchange of information. And you'll have to comply within a certain amount of days. So you comply in a certain amount of days and the other person doesn't, you file a motion to compel them under the original order to comply and provide the documents. And all you get, like I said before, is an order that says they have 30 more days to file the response and the documents. So you spend all this time complying with the discovery, filing the motion to hold them in contempt, and all you get is an order saying that they have to do it later. And this can happen several times. And it's unfortunate because the person trying to compel compliance with the order is the one incurring most of the time, cost, and stress to do so. So what you need to do is find ways to make sure that the court is putting teeth in its order. When you file a motion, don't ask just for sanctions, but ask specifically what sanctions that you want. Plan ahead, speak to your attorney if you have one at what is likely to be the outcome of the applications, what the status of your case, what kind of enforcement issues will you have in the future, even before you have to file for enforcement of the order. And also, to the extent possible, understand that you may not be under such extreme timelines that the court may set because they're not going to enforce the orders either. So if you have 30 days to get your discovery together, don't go crazy thinking that if you don't on the 31st day that you're going to get arrested. It doesn't happen like that. So hopefully that'll help you balance both getting enforcement for your own orders and streamlining and easing your application and your litigation. And that's why I say family court sucks, because it doesn't enforce its orders. I hope the information helps you or other people that you know. If it does, or you think it will, please share it so others get to see the information. You can also subscribe so you get notices when I go online, and you can also post comments, questions, or issues you would like me to address. Thanks, and stay safe. For other videos and similar topics, check out the links below. Here's my contact information if you have any questions or would like to schedule a meeting.